Hi, I'm Ed Stroz, and I'm a home inspector with Stroz Inspections in the greater Ottawa area. Today we're going to look at the heating system of this particular home. We've already had a chance to look on the outside. We've done the roof inspection, we've looked at chimneys, we've looked at potentially a gas meter on the outside. Clues that might help us to piece together some of the elements of the heating system even before our specific heating inspection occurs. When I took my shoes off at the front entranceway, I noticed a radiator at the front door. As I came downstairs, I saw piping in the ceiling and the joists of the unfinished basement. And as I made my way into this basement, I'm not surprised to find a hydronic heating system. A hydronic heating system is a fancy word for a boiler. Now, as part of the heating inspection, I'd like to break it down and look at the big picture first. So, what is the fuel source? What is the heating system? How is that heat being conveyed to the house? And what is the efficiency of the unit? These are the four elements of the big picture assessment we like to do first. So, we take a systematic approach. We use checklists because inherently heating systems are very complex. There are many manufacturers, makes, models, generations, efficiency levels. So having a checklist based on the type of system helps to ensure that the various components are in place. As we go through and look at those components, we're looking at condition and we're reporting on those conditions as well. One of the elements of our inspections that we find very, very valuable is having the dialogue with the prospective buyer. We're going to look at the operation. Once we've identified the components, we're going to look at the operation of the boiler. We're going to do an operational check. And by that, we're going to crank it up. We're going to turn up the temperature. And we're going to take this cover off. We're going to look inside. We're going to listen to it in operation. We're going to look and try to identify an overall and assess how this boiler is performing. We break the system down to a big picture, and then we look at the perimeter. We look at the components and we report on the condition of those components. And then again we step back and we look at the overall performance of the system and report on that and provide you our findings in our documented report at the end of the inspection. We'd like to thank you for your time. Stroz Inspections is excited to be working with you in the Ottawa area, and we look forward to meeting you in the short term. Thank you again for your time.